Hey YouTube, Peterbilt Knife Guy. Today's just a quick video on two Leatherman products that I really enjoyed. The first one, everybody knows and loves, is the Wave. Second one, some people know about it, some people don't. These you used to be able to get at, and I bought this one at Home Depot a long time ago. It was $29. And it has quickly become the one I carry more than my Leatherman Wave. They do have two versions of this, the sidekick, and then they have another one. I can't remember what it is, but I'll put it in right here. But that one had scissors, and in place of scissors, this one has a saw, and that's what I was looking for. And there was a couple of, oh yeah, the knife blade was serrated. I know the saw grunt likes serrated knives, but I cannot stand a serrated knife. But that's where like the Wave comes in, because you have serrated and plain edge. But yeah, so basically, what do you call it? The loadout on them is, there's more in the Wave, but this one shouldn't be scoffed at all. Just from the outside, you know, your main blade and your saw are both outside accessible. And, you know, granted, with your left hand, it's going to be hard to do this, or your right hand, but with your left hand, you can. But that's the same thing on this Wave. Really, only your right hand is going to access the blades. You're going to need a left hand or both hands to get out your file and your saw on this one. Which, I don't know, I think that's in this one's favor because I can left-handed open my saw. But on this one, they don't even give you a nail nick. Well, they give you a nail nick, but no thumb notch. But anyways, overall dimensions, they're pretty much the same. This one is a little lighter. It does come with a pocket clip, which the Wave does not. I think you can get an accessory, but I'm not positive. And yeah, this thing has just been a great freaking multi-tool. Second favorite part about this, spring-loaded pliers. One of my favorite freaking heads. This one, not so much. You have to work it like you're working, you get your fingers around it like you're using chopsticks or something. This one, just easy, quick, all day long. Also the wire cutters on these. These pinch right in the middle. I don't know if that's gonna pick it up. Where these cross each other in scissors, kind of like scissor. So if you cut something and you mess these up, they're gonna pop in and get stuck, pop out. I'm sure if you know Leatherman. Also, this is an older version without the removable cutters. I'm not a big fan of the newer ones. I've seen them break too much. It's too much milled out where they need strength, and they're just not as good to me. But yeah, so there's your plier heads. And yeah, I don't even know where I'm going with this other than these are just two good multi-tools. Knife blades. This one I actually changed out to a 154 cm steel blade. One of my favorite knife steels. The blade length, you get way more blade with the Wave, but still, I mean, this one's been great. This one's lived in my tackle box. I've had two of these. I ended up giving the other one away because I'm a dummy. But yeah, so that's the blades. The saws, which are mainly the two reasons I bought this: the blade, the saw, and the plier head. Come on, where's my saw? There we go. Now the saws on these are teeth-wise almost identical. This one you do get a little more reach because you get to go back into the wood more, but the actual cutting portions of these are pretty much identical. I'm gonna put a cutting demo in right now. Leatherman Wave. Leatherman sidekick. Both good saws. So yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell which one cuts better. I think they both cut equally. Blades, they're both good blades. I mean, this one is a flat grind 154 cm, way thicker stock. Here's one, you got your hollow ground 420, way thinner stock. But come on, work with me. But still, I don't know. This one's awesome. I think if I had to choose, this one probably be more reliable, but honestly, I would throw this one in my pocket first. But anyways, we have a little bottle cutting right here. And yeah, thanks for watching.